we're going to cook quinoa fried rice today with no meat. And that's the quinoa we're going to use. It's like kind of like rice. And it's cooked the same way like the rice, cooked in the rice cooker. And today we use around 3 cups of quinoa. And we're going to cook with eggs and corn and onions and red jumbo onion and bean sprouts and some mixed vegetable. You can put whatever you want. I just want to put some vegetable in it. They like broccoli, carrots, and cauliflower, something like that. Okay. Then okay, we start cooking the fried rice right now. And first you heat up the pan. Then you put some oil into it, like that. Then we're going to use 2 eggs. We're going to put the eggs in. You always cook the rice, the fried rice, the egg have to be cooked before you put everything in it. See that the egg almost cooked? Then you put this vegetable into it. Yeah, if you cook at home, sometimes will take a little bit longer because the heat is not as high as the other one. So. Okay, that you can see them they start turning color, so it's so we can add the rice into it. Okay, that we start put the rice into it, the quinoa into it. Right, we can put some white pepper into it, about half teaspoon. Then about 1 teaspoon of sesame seed oil. Then you put 1 tablespoon of soy sauce into it. And 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Then you mix them up. You just want to mix some well, and that's it. And and everything is okay right now. So okay, so it's all pretty much ready. Okay, then we're gonna dish them up. Okay, then this is a quinoa fried rice.